Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that is coming from the website esoftwarehelp.com. esoftwarehelp.com is truly a deceptive website which attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. This deceptive website tries to trick people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. These pop-ups initially claim to be related to some decent security program. Many people might hear about such decent programs, but the point is, when people see these pop-ups by esoftwarehelp.com and they think that there is something decent recommended, they start clicking on these buttons, start instant cleanup, and then they will be forwarded to some other questionable sites which may promote a totally different software, or they may even try to gather some personal details about people, their name, phone number, email address, and then people may start getting spam to their email accounts. So all these pop-ups by esoftwarehelp.com are absolutely fake and even illegal. These pop-ups may be the consequence of some adware to be enabled in your computer. So please be very careful, don't interact with them and do not install anything that they suggest. I recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your system and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find them, here, get rid of them. I also recommend researching your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, download the software and start researching your system to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.